show you the 2020 Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish, full-size package. Packaged with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. So this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.